Mess around with the crossover circuit so you get that nice detailed bass. Let's move on and let's talk sound quality. To test these speakers, I used a Yamaha AVR, a Denon AVR, and a 725 amplifier. And all of them drove these without any problems. They're pretty efficient at 92 dB, so you should be able to drive them with standard equipment. If something severely underpowered probably won't work, but standard equipment should work just fine. I tested both movies and music, and honestly, I like what I heard. But before I talk to you about that, I'm going to play a couple of audio samples just to prove that these make sense. Yo, what a squeeze the life. Hopefully you enjoyed those audio samples. Now let's go ahead and let's talk about sound quality. All the features, all the tech, all the setup, it matters. But what really matters is how these sound. And I'm happy to report that I really enjoyed listening to the BP 9000 series. It reminds me of a band in which every instrument or every musician has their particular role. And when they play that role well, you get something that is music and you enjoy it. And that's kind of how this is, right? Like I said, I watch movies and I listen to music. Now, as far as listening to music is concerned, I didn't listen to a whole bunch of 5.1 music. I'm able to listen to some 2-channel stuff. And so I'll talk about that specifically